Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, tangents PA and PB are drawn from an external point P to two concentric circles with center O and radii 12 cm and 9 cm respectively. If AP equals to 8 cm, what is the length of BP? Here we have given that the two concentric circles with the center at O, AP and BP, are the tangents at point A and B. OA and OB here P is the external point and this BP is a tangent to the smaller circle and AP is a tangent to the larger circle. OB is the radius of smaller circle and OA is the radius of bigger circle. So here OA is 12 centimeters, OB is 9 centimeters, and AP we have given as 8 centimeters. Now OA equals to 12 centimeters, OB equals to 9 centimeters, and AP equals to 8 centimeters. AP equals to 8 centimeters. Now to find BP, join OP. As tangents to the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, that is, OA is perpendicular to AP and OB is perpendicular to BP. So, in right-angled triangle, OAP, OP square equals to OA square plus AP square by Pythagoras theorem. So, OP square is OA square means 12 square, AP square means 8 square. So, here it is 208. So, taking square root on both sides, we get it is 14.42 centimeters. Thus, length of OP is 14.42 centimeters. Now, in triangle OBP, as we have to find BP, OP square equals to OB square plus BP square. So OP is 14.42 square. Here it is by Pythagoras theorem. So 14.42 square equals to OB is 9 plus BP square. So BP square will be under root 14.42 square minus 9 square. So after solving this, we get PP equals to 11.27 centimeters. So our correct option is option A. That is, length of BP is 11.27 centimeters.